If you need to share your calendar quickly, getting your Google Calendar link is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it on your computer, copy it correctly, and understand what the link actually does. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once Calendar loads, look for the settings icon, which is the little gear in the top right corner. Click that, then choose Settings from the menu. This will take you into the main calendar settings area. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Settings for My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of calendars connected to your account, such as your primary calendar or any other calendars you manage. Click the specific calendar you want to share. This part is important because the link belongs to that individual calendar, not every calendar in your account. After selecting the calendar, scroll down through the settings until you reach the Integrate Calendar section. This is where Google keeps the sharing and embed options. In that section, look for public URL to this calendar. If your calendar is set up to be shared publicly, you'll see the link right there. Next to it, click Copy. That copies the Google Calendar link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it, like in an email, website, message, or team document. Now, if you don't see the public URL option, that usually means the calendar isn't set to public sharing yet, or your Google Workspace admin has restricted it. In that case, you may need to adjust the calendar sharing settings before the link becomes available. Also, remember that this link only gives access based on the visibility settings of that calendar. If it's public, anyone with the link may be able to view it. If it's restricted, access will depend on the permissions you've assigned, so always double-check your sharing settings before sending the link to other people. Once you have copied it, test it if needed by pasting it into a safe place so you know it copied correctly. And that's it. You now know how to get your Google Calendar link on desktop in just a few steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.